So in this video, I'll talk about when you should bail out from your motorcycle. Just like riding a motorcycle, bailing out or falling from a motorcycle is also an art. You need to learn and understand when you need to let go of your motorcycle and when you need to stay committed to it. It comes with practice and lots of riding and understanding what the motorcycle is going through and what you need to do as a rider. The efforts that you put into understanding when to let go of the motorcycle is as good as saving your own life. It is as important as a life-saving situation. Majority of the times, people cling on to their motorcycle in order to save just their motorcycle or hang on to the motorcycle to get whatever they can till the last moment, and by that time it has become a point of no return. Which is why you need to really understand that once the motorcycle has gone out of your control, it's better to bail out rather than clinging on to the motorcycle or stay committed to it. Yes, staying committed is important. However, it's really important to save your life so that you can ride more. A lot of people on big adventure motorcycles, they feel committed and they want to save their motorcycles from a fall. Yes, I understand saving a motorcycle from a fall is very important. However, if you know that you are about to fall or you have reached the point of no return, it's actually better to bail out. And how do you bail out? The first step towards bailing out is just opening your leg wider and let the motorcycle fall through from below. At this point of time, the motorcycle is at momentum. However, when you open your leg, the motorcycle's momentum is at a different pace. However, you can slow down yourself with your legs. Opening of the legs also prevents your leg getting stuck underneath your motorcycle, which thereby helps in preventing lots of injuries. These were the tricks for low geared or when you are riding at slow pace. When you are on a higher gear or higher speeds, you need to start preparing yourself to embrace yourself. How do you embrace yourself? You cover all your limbs, just like how MotoGP riders do. They let go of the motorcycle and then they embrace themselves. When they hold on to the limbs, it is very smooth transition from a fall to a slide. That really helps you understand that the motorcycle has gone beyond a point of no return, and from here you need to stay committed to the fall. And when you stay committed to the fall, you actually are embracing it. And the third thing is having trust in your proper riding gear. If you are not wearing proper riding gear, you will not be able to understand what to do and what not to do. If you are wearing proper riding gear, you will be able to let go of the motorcycle and trust your riding gears that it will protect you. However, if you're not wearing proper riding gear, you will want to save yourself as well as the motorcycle. That too within a very short span of time. Because in a very short span of time, you are trying to do 2, 3 or even 4 things, which is not going to happen. So it's better to be committed and be prepared for a fall. Thank you so much guys for showing your love in all our videos. We will try to stay committed and we would want to share more of these videos with you. So why don't you put in the comment section below on what all things you want me to put together in the next videos. I will make sure that I create individual videos for this for you. Till that time, thank you so much. Bye bye.